In 2025, models will be replaced by AI. With AI, you can take any piece of clothing and instantly see it being modeled in stunning details, as if it were being brought to life by a virtual fashion model. There's so many advantages to this. The first one is that it is cost effective. That means you do not have to hire models. Second advantage is that it's very diverse because you can actually generate any type of model: black, mixed, Asian, American, any type of model of your choice can be generated with AI. And the third one is that it is time efficient. You do not have to wait for your model to be present. Your model is present on your phone and your laptop. All you need to do is to take your piece of clothing and put it in an AI model to do the work for you so that you can advertise them. And the best part about this is that most of these models looks like humans, and people most times don't tell the difference. There are 4 steps required to bring your model to life. The first is to get your clothing, and the second is to get your models, AI models. The third step is to merge your clothing and your AI model. And the last step is to bring them to life. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the video. Hi guys, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to get your images ready. So all you need to do is to use your images, like your outfits, your clothing outfits. But because I do not have any clothing brand, I will use Canva for the purpose of this video. So I'll click on Canva, then I'll click on create a design. Then I'll click on presentation. Add as much page as possible. And start from the first page, go to element and select, type in the outfit you want in the element search bar. Let's try a wedding dress, and I'll add my wedding dress. So let's try another outfit. I'll add this one. On the third page, I'll add another outfit. You should not add 2 outfits in one page. I'll just keep adding as much as I want. So once you are done with this step, then it's time to download. Click on share, then click on download. Instead of selecting PDF standard, download it as an image. So I'll select PNG. So I'll download it as a PNG, then I'll click on download and it will be saved in my system. The next step is for me to get the prompt for me to be able to generate my AI model. And to do this, I will use ChatGPT to be able to get this done. Go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. I need 20 prompts to generate. Models, 10 males and 10 females of different races. That's all you need to type, and you click on send. Then you will get your result. Once you have gotten all your prompts to be able to generate your images, next step is for you to utilize an image generation tool to bring your image to life by pasting these prompts in the prompt bar of the image generation tool. So this is Clean AI and this is the dashboard. You have to sign up with them with your Gmail account. It requires you to make payment, but they do have free credit that they issue to their users as well, just like other AI tools. And now, once you are here, this is the dashboard and this is how the home page looks like. Go over to AI images, click on AI images and click on AI virtual try on. This allows you to create your model. As you can see, this is AI model and this is AI outfit. So you have if you're generating a model, you click on male, female, children, youth, elderly, and the skin tone. Because the first one is that we are generating a Caucasian male, So I will click on male, youth, and I will select this skin color. Then I will scroll down and paste the prompts that I got from ChatGPT here. When I scroll down, I can select the aspect ratio that I want. For the purpose of this video, I will use 1:1. Remember also to select the number of images you want. You don't need 2 images at a time. You only need 1. And 1 image is just 5 credits. Then you click on generate. Now let's wait for like a minute for the generation to be complete. And let's see the results that we'll have. This is simply amazing. This is the result of the model that we have created. Remember, the aspect ratio of this is 1:1, which is an Instagram aspect ratio. Now, for us to convert this aspect ratio to YouTube aspect ratio, just move your mouse around the image, and expand will allow you to change the aspect ratio. So first, let's change the aspect ratio. And all we need to do is to click on expand, and we click here, scroll down, and expand. The aspect ratio has been converted from 1:1 to 16:9. Now, the next thing is for us to wear different outfits on this model. How do we do this? Move your mouse around the image and click on AI outfit, okay? This will be shown on the left side of the dashboard. And you can either add single garments, which is like a gown, a dress, or a multiple garments, which is like a top and a trouser. Let's try multiple garments and let's see. Remember, we are going to upload images of the outfits that we have generated with Canva, and we are going to make this model to wear those outfits. So what you need to do is click on multiple garments and upload the top. Then after uploading the top, you upload the bottom. So let's click on upload top. So let's click on this image. While we are that, we click on upload button of that same image. It will show the top and the bottom of the same image. Okay. Then you click on generate. Now, this is simply amazing. We have generated the model is putting on the outfit. We can go back, click on the model again, and make the model to wear another outfit. This was a model that I generated, and I made this model to wear multiple outfits. And all I did was click on AI outfit, and this model was putting on different outfits. So I click on it, then I'll go to single garment. So let's try another one. I'll go to single garment. I click on upload garments. Then I scroll down where I have the images of my garments stored. Then I'll click on one. And after uploading the image, I click on generate. Then I'll wait for the generation to be complete. This is beautiful. As you can see, the model is putting on a new outfit. And once you have done this, it's automatically saved here. It's automatically saved here. So if you want this model to wear another outfit, go back to the original image and not the one that you have added the outfit on. Go back to the original image. So I will scroll down, bring the original image. So this is the original image. Then I'll click on AI outfit. I want it to wear one of those outfits from Canva. So I'll click on single garment. Let's see what happened. I'll click on upload. Let's put on this clothes, this outfit, that black dress. Then I click on generate. So this is all you need to do to get your models to wear your outfit. This is very beautiful, very, very beautiful. The next thing I want to do is to bring this model to life. I want this model to walk down the runway. All I need to do is to click on bring to life. Okay. And I'll be redirected to another page. Scroll down. And I click on walking down the runway. So I want it to walk down the runway. And I'll just type in walking down the runway. Then I'll click on generate. The result of this one is ready. This is simply amazing and very beautiful, as you can see. So check out this result of this model walking down the runway. I think this is very beautiful. And for you to download, all you need to do is click here and you can download with or without watermark. This is dependent on your subscription. Yeah. And you can also download the images by going to the image section, going here. When you click there, you can download your images by clicking on select. Then you select the images you want. Then you click on download with or without the watermark. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications so that you will know whenever I post a new video. See you in my next video. Bye.